Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Tieng, a channel that helps you learn English a little each day in a simple, easy, and effective way, perfect for busy people and beginners. Let me tell you the truth. I hate waking up early. Always have. My bed is warm, my mind is sleepy, and every part of me says, just sleep a little more. But one day, I heard something I couldn't forget. It was Steve Harvey. He said, "Rich people don't sleep 8 hours a day. That's a third of your life." And at that moment, I didn't feel lazy. I felt awake. Because he was right. It wasn't just about sleep. It was about time and how we use it. That one video changed something in me. Not because it taught me grammar. Not because it gave me new words, but because it gave me energy. It reminded me of my purpose. Since then, I've built a small habit, and I share it with others. Every morning, my English learning group and I watch one short motivational video together, in English, with Vietnamese subtitles. Just 2 or 3 minutes to start the day with purpose. And a little English. I don't need to understand every word. I just listen. I let the words enter my ears, and slowly they reach my heart. Little by little, the tired feeling disappears. The doubt gets quiet, and I start to feel ready again. This is our little morning habit. Even when we feel tired, even when life feels too much, that one video gives us the power to begin again. And you know what's beautiful? Even when we are not studying, we are still learning. We hear real English. We repeat short phrases. We pick up the rhythm of how people speak. That's not just study. That's growth. Together. So my friend, if one day you want to quit learning English, that's okay. You don't have to fight it. But don't give up either. Just pause. Watch a video that lifts your heart. Let the English come to you, gently, naturally. And when you're ready, come back. You'll be stronger than before. Thank you for listening. If this story gives you new energy, please like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, who do you listen to when you want to quit? Let's grow together. One video, one voice, one quiet restart at a time.